your PhD, like suppose you are working on image processing and your project is something on like you can say healthcare informatics, then of course you can find some way that how you can include that.
Okay, so doctor, I need to ask like thing. Like I am in a PhD lab, okay, and now I'm doing a PhD. My supervisor has some project under him, a project sponsored by somewhere else. Now he or she, my guide or the supervisor, is saying to work on this project also, and later you can include this as a part of my thesis. So what I have in my mind, like, is this possible? And if yes, then how? How can we link that project into a part of our thesis work and include it as a part of our thesis
Uh, First of all, Mr. Chandan, that if you are actually, I would like to give you a twofold answer. If you are working on sensors and the project is also on sensors, then it is better that you can align your PhD in a particular manner, which means that you are actually working on that area in which the project is also there. Then it is okay. Okay, which means alignment will not be bigger issue, and even you can spend some extra time like one of my friend who was
work?
doing his PhD into web technologies, and after that his guide has given him some project on software ontologies, and he has just fusion up the project and he has made up some good SCA papers. That is possible. But suppose now you have a total different opinion. Okay, now for that I would like to inform you that of course that project will actually take up your time, your valuable time for PhD, and naturally you have to spend some extra time for that. So either I would like to tell you that if you take a positive side, that naturally you will learn something. And tomorrow, if you, because I have already told you that research grants are now number one parameter to select you in top tier universities. Very important. Okay. Now, let me tell you very openly, because in this answer, I would like to open one important point to all of you, that many people ask me that, sir, what top tier universities see in your profile? They don't want to see your SCI papers first. They want to see what type of research proposals and grants that you have done. Very important. And what projects you have worked and what you are working on and what is the cost of that project. So you can take it as a positive side that, okay, if my guide is giving me such exposure, and if tomorrow you are into academia or even into industry, you can write this type of proposals, which are very important. But yes, of course, if it is totally out of your PhD, like suppose you are working on image processing and your project is something on like, you can say healthcare informatics, then of course you can find some way that how you can include that component into your project. But otherwise, it, according to me, it's a good exposure, but yes, it will, you have to devote some extra time. So that's my answer.
Okay, so thanks so much for your answer, Doctor. Thank you.